My name is Leonhard Wolscht. I'm with MAN Energy Solutions Zurich, and I'm a simulation engineer developing our heat application solutions and simulating them on a dynamic process, on a dynamic operation. So at MAN Energy Solutions, we work on really large-scale heat application systems. And we're mainly at the time focusing on heat pumps, but on an industrial size, so a really large-scale system. And that is really tough to set up and to build, and it becomes really expensive to build a test bed. So our goal with simulation and with Modelon Impact is to have kind of a virtual test bed, which allows us to test the transient operations and optimize our control strategies. And in the long term, we really want to link this virtual test bed in Modelon Impact to hardware in the loop and test our hardware controllers directly on this simulation model. In the past, with MAN Energy Solutions, we tested our models in steady state, or with a lot of steady state simulation. But for cyclic thermodynamic processes, it's important to see how a shutdown, a ramp up, a start, or any transient part load operation really can do and how they perform. And that's something we can now do with Modelon Impact, with the Modelica simulation, really looking into the operation throughout a day, throughout a year, optimizing our control strategies, because it's something that wouldn't be possible on a steady state model. I've just been able to validate our model, and we took the effort to build a test bed to really get real data on the large full-scale system. And it's amazing to see how simulation and test bed really match and work. And so now we have the trust that the model really predicts what we want to see and that we can trust what we simulate. Contact and work with Modelon with the team was always really straightforward, really supportive and easy to connect. And the support was great and still is. So we've been making our experiences with Impact, see it grow, and actually we're having at least a monthly meeting with the Modelon simulation team and programming team to really exchange on our experiences and any issues we experience. So it's really good.